Hello everyone, this is Eddie from Eddie Makes Art, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these. Yep, it's a woven heart that you can use as a basket. Originally, these were, the original idea I got was from my mother. I'm not sure where she got it, but she used to make these every year for Valentine's using a red and white, what do you call it, the construction paper, like this type of paper. And she'd make red and white, and she'd put a little white handle or a red handle, and she'd use her pinking shears all around and make it really, really cool, but really simple. And she passed one out to everybody, all of her kids, and she had teachers. She was a teacher, so all of her kids and all of, whoever else she could make them for, she would just sit in front of the TV and make them, knock them all out. And this is a larger one. It's a larger stencil that I had used because I had a longer piece of paper. This is brayer off paper. And then you can do a smaller one. Like that. You got this little guy here. That cool one. That. So you can have a lot of fun. And you can make this one too. This is a different kind of a stencil. It's more of a wiggly one. And I'll show you what I mean when we get to that part. But yeah, you can have a lot of fun with these. Make little gifts. These are good for Mother's Day, for Christmas, for any time of the year. Put them in your junk journals. Stuff them with ephemera. See, they open up like that. Put a handle, no handle. What we're going to do today is I'm going to use, I went through some of my brayer sheets and a couple of prints that she didn't like. So you could do that. Some great colors, and once they're woven, they give you a totally different look. But what I decided to do was I'm going to use these two guys. Okay, and I went ahead and I folded them in half, and then I drew the stencil on the back. Now you want this bottom part to be folded, okay, so that when you open it, you have two of these, if that makes sense. So when you open it, it will be like that, okay? So you want to make sure the folder is on the bottom and you don't cut the fold. All right, so we got that one, and then we got this one. So you need two. All right, okay. And let's just cut it out. These are on hammer mill copy paper, but it's a little bit heavier than a regular copy paper. But you, like I said, you can use any paper you want, any pattern paper, scrapbook paper. You can use your imagination once you know the basics. And then what we're going to do, remember I said don't cut off this part. What you want to do is just cut up these slit things here. Oh, and the template is just a piece of cardstock that it's about 4 inches wide, about 5 inches tall, and then I cut half a circle from the top, or I kind of shaped it like a circle. I'm not good at measuring and all that, so I kind of like eyeballed most of it, but it's roughly 5 tall, 4 wide inches, and then I marked in about a third in 2 spots, and then just cut up there. Okay, let's get our second one done. I'll show you how to weave them. Yeah, I remember my mom sitting at the kitchen table with a pile of red and white construction paper, her pinking shears, and her Spanish soaps on the TV, and she would make a ton of these. All right, so you got these two guys here. What you want to do, though, we're going to invert them back so we can see the prints. This one I didn't cut. See? Pay attention. There we go. Now, one thing I noticed when I was making these is that sometimes you'll need to cut up a little further on there in case it doesn't weave out, but let's see what we got here. All right, so you got your 2 pieces. All right, now, it's your hearts, right? Sure, kind of your heart shape there, right? All right, so what we're going to do is I may have to cut these up a little more. We're going to try this first. First you're going to do is you're going to take this top strip, and you're gonna go in through the bottom, and then you're gonna take it to the middle, and the middle one is gonna go in, and then you're gonna go into the end. And you see, I was talking about, it doesn't come down flush. So what you need to do is get this guy out of here. Let's cut these a little further out and give us a little more room to play with. Okay. That should do it. If not, we'll go back in. All right, so again, when you got your two shapes like that, your heart shape, you're gonna take your top one into the bottom of this one, go through, and then you're gonna go in with the second one, and then you're gonna go through the third one. All right, and this should kind of come up there, but I may cut it just a little bit more. I just want it a little bit more snug. Okay, just go in here. Give me a little clip there, a little clip there. All right, this should be good. Should be good. So make sure that one goes in there. Okay, I think we're rocking and rolling here. There we go. Yeah. You're gonna bring this, slide this to the top. And then you're gonna take numero dos, this one, and you're gonna go, take this up, and you're gonna put this strip inside. Okay. And then this guy is gonna go underneath the second one. See? So you can see the pattern we're doing. Now you see again, I'm a little short. So let's pull this down a little bit. I'm gonna cut this a little more. You know, and once you get the hang of it, these will go a lot quicker. Come here, you bad boy. All right, I think we're good to go now. Yes. All right, see. Okay, take this one. This guy's gonna go through here. No, it's not. This is gonna go in here. And, okay. All right, push this up, pull this up this way. There we go. Okay. And this guy's not in the right spot. That guy did not join the party. Okay. And that happens. We're gonna retreat just for a second and we'll start again. Okay. Here we go again. This time this should really work. So remember, in, through, the second one comes in, and then in the third part, you're gonna go this way. And then you slide it up. And then you go, this one, you're gonna pull out, and it's gonna go into your second strip. This guy is going to go through here. Okay. And this guy is supposed to be in here. right in through there. Trust me, it goes a lot easier when you don't have a camera rolling, so. FYI. All right, we're just gonna scooch everything up. And then we just have the last one. And the last one is gonna go in through the first loop. Okay. And then, come on. Okay. And then this guy will go under. And then this will go through here. That's wrong. This will go. Ooh, I did one wrong, didn't I? Huh. Oh, that's right. It's this middle one. See? I'm not paying attention. Okay. You go there, and then you go through here. All right, so you get your basic shape. I could have rounded it more. It's okay, but see, there you go. Pretty good. And if you kind of tug it at the edges, it will all line up for you. And like I said, you know, play with the stencil or your, you know, your guide here and kind of get it to where you want it. And then you see with these, the top was more rounded. So maybe this could be a little narrower, what have you, but that's the basic design. Little basket. And then if you want, come around with your pinking shears. See, these still have my mom's name on them. She put her name on everything. Carmen N.R. C.N.R. were her initials. All right. I say were because she's no longer with us. But here we go. We'll go around the world. Around the world and then this way. Not the best, you know, round shape, but look, you got a little basket. And if we want, we could take a strip of this paper. We're gonna make ourselves a little handle. Doesn't need to be that big. Get our little vintage swing line. It's called a swing line Tot 50. I don't know. Another one of my mom's little stashes. Now in here, you can staple it right in there. See underneath? And then that way you can hide the staple. And then come around this side. Do the same thing, go under. All right, there you go. You got a fun little basket. All right, hope you enjoy it. Hope you try it. And if you do, please tag me in your video or your post, Eddie Makes Art, so I can see it. All right, have a good day.